All right, so I am making this video and I'm going to make a YouTube account just for the purpose of trying to help anybody who's having the problem that I had. So I have a 2020 Ram ProMaster 1500 cargo high roof. I realize I have to say all that, or some people think I'm talking about a Dodge Ram 1500 truck. So it's easy to get that confused for some people. Anyways, I've had this beeping that was going off randomly, whether I was driving or not. Sometimes an hour apart, seconds apart, minutes apart. Really random, really annoying, really drove me crazy. Had me cursing the gods. And I finally solved the problem. Okay, so I went into my fuse panel here, the driver's side, and in there. And in here, this is how it should look. You should have your reader right there, and it should be sticking right there. My thing is this, so I found this in here, okay? This was sticking right here. You go in here, you find this geotab, this tracker. I think I bought this used, and I think it came from a rental fleet where a whole bunch of these had these in it. Anyways, and it's connected to this splicer, and it hooks into the reader. And what happened was the splice reader was hanging out the bottom, which it shouldn't, and it had my mechanic confused, had me confused. So I went in here, and I found that. I went on the internet and found that, yes, just some tracker, and it was beeping, and I heard a beep when I unplugged it. So it was definitely that. I took it out, and now, yeah, the reader stays in there. Put your panel back on. Take this. I would recommend getting a hammer and smashing it, take out the aggression that it gave you. That's what I'm going to do. And yeah, and hopefully this solves your problem like it did mine. And those are my dogs. Lebowski. That's Lebowski. That's my girl Lebowski. That's my boy Costanza. Hey, bud. All right. You have a good day, and I hope that solves your problem.